If you're hungry in Osaka, this is the place to be. Street eats, sizzling seafood, and one of the best fruits you've ever tasted. Welcome to Kuromon Ichiba Market in Osaka. Come with us on a walkthrough, but before that, hit that like and subscribe button to follow our future adventures. Welcome to Kuromon Market. This place is over 100 years old and still one of the best spots to eat your way through Osaka. Locals love it, tourists can't get enough, and once you're here, you'll totally see why. It's foodie heaven with that proper Osaka street charm. While you are walking with us, let me tell you a few things that we saw and got to try out. One of the big must-tries is the king crab. You'll see the massive legs being grilled right out in front, dipping in butter, juicy and hot off the grill. It's not the cheapest food in the market, but honestly, it's such a great treat. Sweet, tender and buttery. That first bite, life-changing. You forget how much you've paid after the first juicy mouthful. Even the fruit here feels fancy, like a single slice of melon is wrapped like a gift. Everyone in Japan goes crazy for it. And don't get me wrong, it's super sweet and juicy, but coming from Australia, where our melons are also amazing, it's like, do I really want to buy the melon over here for double the price? I don't know, but I have done that once and the melons are really good. But I actually have to tell you guys about the strawberries. Japan doesn't just grow fruit, they curate it. These strawberries come in red, pink and white, and yep, they all taste different. The white ones are the rarest. So sweet, no acidity at all. The pink ones, kind of the perfect middle ground. And the red ones are your classic juicy deliciousness. I spent more money than I like to admit on strawberries, but no regrets. They were just so good that I just kept on wanting more. Also, for all the sashimi lovers out there, listen up. The otoro tuna, the fatty part of the belly, is a game changer. It just melts in your mouth like butter. We found this cute little store that served us otoro and some hot sake, and it was chef's kiss. One of the best bites of the day, hands down. Dustin literally did a happy dance after that first bite, not even joking. And then there's Wagyu, the holy grail. I had it on my list, and I was not walking out of that market without it. We found this little stand grilling Wagyu beef skewers, and as soon as I bit into it, I was done. Done! It was tender, juicy, and had that marble richness that just melts. If I could have packed 10 more to go, I would have. But the cool thing about Kuromon is that there's something for everyone. You got Wagyu for the meat lovers, fresh uni for the seafood adventurers, great giant grilled scallops, and so many skewers and deep fried delights. And if you're on a budget, don't worry. There's a ton of delicious bites under 500 yen that definitely hits the spot here. Also, quick tip, come hungry. Actually, come very hungry. You'll want to eat your way through every single store. And bring cash. Some places don't take card, and the last thing you want is to miss out on this experience. Trust me, it hurts. Another thing I love, the vibes. Unlike Tokyo and Kyoto's fish markets that are super packed, Kuromon has this more local feel and it's easier to wander and less chaotic, and it's just full of charms. I've done Tokyo, Kyoto, and now Osaka fish markets, and this market, total fave. So now that you're drooling, sit back and enjoy our walking tour of the Kuromon market. Let your cravings take the lead. We won't judge you if you pause the video to grab a snack. If you're heading to Osaka, don't skip this place. Your belly will thank you. Hit that like button if you're already dreaming of Wagyu and strawberries, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty adventures with us across Japan and wherever our food obsessed adventures take us.